The next global battery race may not be fought over electric vehicles. As countries try to reduce their dependence on China's lithium supply chain, a new market is emerging: long duration energy storage. And one Indian origin battery startup is betting that AI data centers could power its next phase of growth. Off Grid Energy Labs has opened its first pilot manufacturing facility in Hampshire, England. Its zinc gel battery technology was developed through years of research in India. The company wants to use it for data centers, renewable energy projects, and industrial power storage.
Many years back, when we started this, the four of us had this dream of building a battery which is not only sustainable but also is commercially viable and is can be built anywhere in the world.
China dominates much of the global lithium ion battery supply chain, from refining minerals to manufacturing battery cells. This has prompted countries including India, the US, and those in Europe to diversify battery technologies and supply chains. India too is backing domestic battery manufacturing through its 18,000 crore advanced chemistry cell scheme. Off-Grid is betting on zinc bromine, but only where it believes the chemistry has an advantage. The company says its batteries use zinc, bromine, carbon, and polymers. It argues that these materials are widely available and could support local manufacturing across different countries.
Everybody knew that this battery chemistry works, but how do we make it commercially viable? So entire innovation has been on materials chemistry, design of the battery, manufacturing of the battery, has been on bringing down the cost and improving the performance.
Off-Grid describes zinc gel as non-flammable and suitable for 6 to 16 hours of storage. It says the batteries are designed to operate for more than 20 years. These remain company claims that must now be demonstrated through certification and commercial deployment. The company is not trying to replace lithium in cars or smartphones. Instead, it targets stationary storage, where operating life, safety, and repeated charge-discharge cycles can matter more than size or weight.
But when it comes to large industrial storage facilities where you need safety, where you need long life, where you need low operational cost, this is where zinc bromide has benefits over lithium.
Off-Grid believes artificial intelligence could create a new battery boom. AI data centers require enormous and reliable electricity supplies, but adding power plants and grid infrastructure takes time. The company has identified data centers, renewable energy projects, and industrial users as its three main markets. It says it is discussing deployments with customers in India, Britain, and Europe.
Today, if we had batteries available in abundance, the data centers would snap it up in easily because there is a huge gap in the supply versus demand.
The company's journey began at IIT Kanpur, where its four founders met. Off-Grid chose Britain for its first factory because of specialized manufacturing talent, certification ecosystem, and access to European customers. The Hampshire pilot facility has an initial capacity of 10 megawatt hours, and it will manufacture batteries for certification and commercial pilot projects. The company says it has raised $17.2 million after nearly 8 years of research. It plans to develop the chemistry and intellectual property while partnering to manufacture and deploy batteries. But the commercial challenge remains considerable. Zinc bromine must compete with lithium ion on price, reliability, and manufacturing scale. The science may have started at IIT Kanpur, but the next test won't happen in the labs. It will happen in factories and in customer projects. For Off-Grid, the race now is not discovery, it's execution.